Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy the trader role in Red Dead Redemption 2. First, you need to find Crips, your camp companion. He's usually at your camp, but sometimes you can find him at a general store. Walk up to him to trigger a short cutscene. After the scene, you'll have the option to purchase the butcher's table, which costs 15 gold bars. This is the essential item to begin your trading journey. Once you've purchased the butcher's table, it will automatically appear in your camp. This table is the heart of your new trading business. Interact with it to open the trader menu. Here, you'll manage your supplies, materials, and sales. It's crucial to keep an eye on your inventory to ensure smooth operations and maximize your profits. To produce goods, you'll need materials. Hunt animals and donate their carcasses and pelts to Crips at the butcher's table. You'll also need supplies, which can be acquired by completing resupply missions. These missions are vital for keeping your production running smoothly. Successfully completing them ensures Crips has everything he needs to craft valuable goods for you to sell. With goods produced, it's time to make deliveries. You can choose between local deliveries, which are safer but pay less, or long-distance deliveries, which offer significantly higher payouts but come with more risk from other players. Successfully delivering your goods earns you cash and experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your gaming setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.